Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I hope each and every one of you is doing fine, and I want to wish you best of luck with the coming weeks. And secondly, welcome to my first ever video lesson. This video lesson has two purposes. One, most importantly, is to motivate you for these English lessons, and two, secondly, to give you instructions on your assignments for this week. One of these assignments will be graded, daar krijg je dus een cijfer voor, but I promise you these assignments will be fun to do, all of them. First step. My advice is to first look at the assignments for this week, and those are assignments 6, 7 and 9. After that you go to page 55 of your textbook, section C, and read the text, What makes Manchester United roll? I advise you to read this carefully because you need this text for the exercises I just mentioned. When we go to the workbook, exercise 6 are questions about the text itself. So that's why it's handy to read the text carefully, so you will be able to answer those questions rather quickly. Exercise 7 is a puzzle. Well, I will give you a head start. Normally you have to translate these words yourself, and after that find them here in this puzzle. I will give you the words, the translation, so you don't have to look them up, so you can immediately start with the puzzle when you start with exercise 7. I will give those in a minute, I promise you. And exercise 9, I think, fun and maybe not too hard. The goal here is to change the word order to the correct one. So those sections are all randomly, and you put them together in a sense, or better said, a sentence that makes sense. Alright? Well, here are the words in the correct order as promised. I'm sorry if I'm speaking too loud, I'm just behind the camera. So take a good look at these words, and you will have to find these words in the puzzle for assignment 7. And lastly, the writing assignment. I promised you it would be fun, and it will be fun. This writing assignment is about your favorite sport or your favorite hobby. You're going to write a one-page blog about it. So what's the case? You have a blog about your life with approximately 10,000 followers. One of these many followers has asked you to write about your favorite sport or hobby in your blog. He or she is very curious and wants to know more about it. Okay, what are the general criteria? Okay, first of all, you write a one-page blog about your favorite sport or hobby. You can decide for yourself what sport or hobby you choose. At least half of that page should be text. Use the other half for pictures about your favorite sport or hobby. Use Google Images if you're not able to find any pictures of your own, or if you want to enrich your blog with pictures from the internet. Okay, now the most important part. Use one sentence from Stone 10, page 56. Adapt that sentence that it fits in for your blog, and highlight that sentence that it's visible for us. That helps us to grade your assignment. And secondly, use two sentences from Stone 11, page 56. And there is the same, so you have to adapt those sentences to your own text, and you have to highlight those sentences that we know what those sentences are. Okay, you will receive this assignment separately in a document, and I advise you again to read it carefully. I would read both the sport and the hobby section before you choose, because the questions you have to answer and have to incorporate in your blog are different between the two. Lastly, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun making it, and I truly hope you enjoy making these assignments. and I want to wish you best of luck with the coming weeks, and I will see you hopefully next week in my second lesson.